This is a quick guide to running reports in Option C. I've already set up my project, having imported utility and weather data, tuned my meters, and specified any rates, modifications, and variables. Now I'm ready to run my reports. To do so, click the reporting icon in the bottom left. This takes us to the report menu. A list of available reports will appear here. Click on one to see more. A list of report parameters will appear in the center panel. Each report has its own parameters, but we can review the common ones. Many reports allow you to select the utility type and whether to report on cost or quantity. In this example, let's run a report on electricity, and let's look at kilowatt-hour consumption. Most reports allow for the date range to be specified, and for selection of a report level, whether site, area, meter, or occasionally at the entire project level. To run a report on a subset of sites, areas, or meters in a project, click Selected under Project Item Selection, and then click the Select button. Available sites, areas, and meters will be displayed in the resulting window. Select the scenario for your reporting. There are many options available. We'll run our report on baseline over actual scenario. To save current report settings for future use, check the Save Report Settings As box and enter a name for your saved report. After running this report, it will be saved as a child item underneath the parent report in the list in the left panel. Click Run Report when you're ready to proceed. The thumbnail panel allows quick navigation of larger reports. It can be collapsed. Report results appear in the right side panel. To revise the report parameters, or to run a new report of the same type, you may click the green arrow in the center. This will return us to the parameters used for the most recently created report. Let's rerun this report for cost. We'll report on total dollars. The new report results appear here. Note that multiple report tabs are now present. It's possible to browse through and compare all reports in a session. You will be prompted whether or not you wish to have these reports saved when exiting Option C. If you select Yes, saved reports will appear in the bottom of the reports list in future sessions with this project. Clicking No will discard them. Individual report tabs can be closed by clicking the Close button in the top right. It's also possible to export reports. Click the Export Document button. You may also specify what format to export the file in. If there are multiple report tabs, it's possible to export all in a single file. Click Export Document. Review the source and destination and export mode options to suit your needs.